Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off active now or activity status on Instagram. If you're using Instagram and you want to turn off your active now or activity status, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open up your Instagram app and here just tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Then select the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and from here you have to simply scroll down and look for message and story replies. Just tap on it. And here you just have to simply select show activity status. Tap on it, and if you want to turn it off, you can easily turn it off with the toggle. Once you have turned it off, now no one can see your active now or active status on Instagram. So in this way, you can easily turn off your active now or activity status on Instagram app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.